So this window here doesn't shut properly. Reason being, this plastic part that keeps these two parts of the 4-bar hinge together is actually snapped. So when the window closes in, the operator's not working anyway either. Basically, we've got to replace this. How you do it is you've got to unscrew this one. Unscrew all these at the top while still holding the window with a suction cup to take the whole window in. It's not an easy task. We're going to replace it with this. This has got a metal part that holds the two together. So hopefully that's going to make all the difference. So we're taking the window out. You can see 4-bar hinge is still in place, and this is the side that's actually broken. We're just gonna, all these screws will come loose. That's possibly why it, see all these screws. Why? Here we got the 4-bar replaced, top and bottom. Window now. I didn't show you it before, but now the window shuts